Alright, today we're going to be looking at Bois de Yuzu by Karl Lagerfeld. If you're thinking of buying this fragrance or any others over at fragrance.com, use the discount code linked in the description below to get 30% off your entire purchase. Karl Lagerfeld was a man who dressed like a Bond villain, wore sunglasses indoors, and generally gave zero fucks about what anybody thought, and somehow that attitude translated into a fragrance line that punches well above its weight in terms of quality versus price. Bois de Yuzu is one of the standouts, a fresh, spicy, woody scent that doesn't just whisper sophistication, it slaps you in the face with it. The open? A fucking citrus bomb. Yuzu, that zesty little Japanese fruit, comes screaming out of the gate like a Formula One car, backed up by grapefruit and bergamot, so kiss that scurvy goodbye. A sharp kick of ginger, mint, and rosemary adds a second layer of fresh green to this already incredibly bold open. This isn't your average lemony fresh shower gel bullshit. This is citrus with a purpose, clean, classy, and bright without veering into cheap-smelling territory. Then the middle kicks in with a spicy herbal blast. Clary sage tips its hat along with a bit of nutmeg, giving the whole thing an aromatic, almost barbershop feel, but with an edge. Like a well-groomed man who just happens to know how to also throw a mean right hook. And then we get to the base where Bois de Yuzu leans in close to whisper sweet nothings into your ear. Papyrus and moss give it an earthy, grounded vibe, while a touch of ambroxan helps it stick around longer than your last bad decision. Presentation is clean, simple, and classy, much like the scent itself. A sleek, minimalist bottle that doesn't try too hard because it doesn't need to. The atomizer's average, but you'll get the fragrance on your skin, so don't stress about it. Performance? It's an EDT, so it's not going to last all day, but you'll get 4 to 5 hours of solid wear with decent projection for the first hour. It's fresh, it's refined, and it doesn't overstay its welcome. Is this going to get you compliments? It might, but if that's what you're after, then you're watching the wrong channel. I'm not one of those assholes who's going to prey on your insecurities to try and convince you of something. Compliments are never a reason to do anything, a real man knows that. Final thoughts? If you want to smell fresh, clean, and effortlessly put together, then Bois de Yuzu is your move. Go find it, try it, and then make up your own damn mind.